In a valley filled with golden wheat, there lived a horse named Atlas. He was the backbone of the farm, working from the first light of dawn until the stars appeared. He never complained, but time takes a toll on everyone. One evening, Atlas collapsed into the hay, his muscles trembling with exhaustion. A barn cat, known for her sharp ears and loose tongue, purred near him. "You look terrible, Atlas," she meowed. Atlas sighed heavily. "I am just so tired. I think I might ask the master for a shorter day tomorrow. Just to recover my strength." The cat nodded, but her eyes gleamed with mischief. She ran to the cow shed. "Have you heard?" she whispered. "Atlas is refusing to work. He says he is done with the heavy loads." The cow, alarmed, turned to the goat. "The horse is going on strike. He says the work is unfair and the master is cruel." By the time the rumor reached the farmhand, the message had transformed completely. The farmhand rushed to the master's house, shouting, "Sir! Your horse is planning a rebellion. He is violent, ungrateful, and plans to break down the fences to escape tomorrow." The master, blinded by anger, felt betrayed. He did not ask the horse for the truth. Instead, he decided that a rebellious horse was dangerous. That night, he sold Atlas to a stone quarry far away, a place of no rest and endless hardship. Atlas never planned to leave. He only wanted a moment to breathe. But a small whisper, twisted by gossip, became a loud tragedy.
Speak with peace.